Hello, future millionaire. Okay, very quick video. Right now, the price of all the three coins that I recommend everybody to buy, of all the three, only Ethereum is going up at this moment. So, if you have exposure to all the three major coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, something is always going on in your portfolio. So the last few days, the Bitcoin Cash is doing quite okay. And before that, it was the Bitcoin that was doing fine. And now it's the Ethereum's turns to catch up. So what that teaches us is if you want to diversify, that's perfectly fine. But don't diversify in the way that you have no control over the outcome. You want to diversify your portfolio in the way that regardless what is the possible outcome, you are always come out as a winner. So when you have exposure to all three coins, you have the established store of value, you have the upcoming store of value and smart contracts on Ethereum, and then you have the combination of both, which is currently undiscovered. So I want you to understand that most people do not even know yet that Bitcoin Cash replaces Bitcoin and Ethereum both at the same time. So the smart BCH contract, the sidechain built on the BCH, that is faster, easier to use, and cheaper than Ethereum, and it's 100% compatible with Ethereum virtual machine, is going to take out a huge chunk of the Ethereum markets. And if you want to see evidence, you just have to look at the trading volume on exchange like CoinFlex. Currently, they are exploding. They're absolutely exploding. If you look at XRP trading contracts, CoinFlex, they are not just focused on Bitcoin Cash alone. They're deploying Bitcoin Cash as the backbone, as their support structure, as their own infrastructure to be able to smooth out the transaction or other cryptocurrencies, which means ultimately smart BCH and Bitcoin Cash is the settling layer, and all other cryptocurrency can stand on top of those settling layers. And a strong foundation and a great settling layer is absolutely essential for a good utility blockchain to sit on top of it. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry for bothering you.
No, so good. I can cut stuff out. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
What do you do?
I make a YouTube video about cryptocurrencies.
Cryptocurrency?
Yes, Bitcoin.
Really?
I'm one of the leading guys in cryptocurrency in the world.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Actually, we have like some coins starting to learn.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which one do you guys have?
Actually, my partner he knows way more than me.
Yeah.
I can't just remember the names of.
Oh, that's okay. You
because there are many names.
Yes, there are
right?
thousands of them. I focus on the big three. Maybe you have heard of them. I have the Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. Maybe he has one of those.
Oh,
Yeah.
what's your
My channel name?
Yeah.
It's called First Mil. 1STMIL stands for First Million. And if you just search for the word Bitcoin Cash on Google or on YouTube, you'll find me because I'm the number one.
Bitcoin Cash.
Yes, Bitcoin Cash. Easy to remember, right?
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, and your name?
My name is Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Nice
to
meeting
meet you. Anna.
Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will
I'm-
check now. Bitcoin Cash.
Bitcoin Cash.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Nice to meet you, Gabriel. We let you continue.
Same here. No worries. No, all good. Yeah. All right. I don't think I'm going to cut this one out though. It was a pleasant experience. Anna, shout out to Anna and your boyfriend or your partner. And if you're watching this particular video, you should definitely consider Bitcoin Cash as one of the best cryptocurrency to invest in. And if you have any questions about your coin, you can always write a comment below. And there's hundreds of people in this community who can answer your questions. Absolutely no problem at all. And absolutely enjoy the experience here. This place, by the way, is one of the surf clubs I frequent. I like to come to this stretch for exercise, and currently I'm investigating which is the actual property I should be focusing on, because this stretch I believe is the hottest property on the Gold Coast. And in 2025, when we have a couple $1 billion under our name, then I want to spend a huge amount of that money on real estate on the Gold Coast. And I'm not talking about one or two houses, I'm talking about whole streets. So we'll see how it goes. Yesterday I had an interesting experience as well. I had a meeting with a real estate agent for lunch, and it was very interesting. He's an experienced person. He's an international person. He's an intelligent person, and I assume he's watching my video now because now he should be start doing some research. So I mentioned to him the idea that I want to do relatively big transactions in real estate based on the future value of Bitcoin Cash. So he was skeptical, and the reason is because he has the misunderstanding or maybe lack of knowledge about what's going on in the crypto market. And I did a quick Google search today in the morning. It turns out all the crypto in the world is right now worth about the same as all the real estate in Sydney combined. So take whatever you want with it. And basically all the crypto in the world right now, for those who are watching from the real estate business, is currently can buy one whole Sydney or can buy five Brisbane or probably 20 Gold Coast. So that's the reason when our coin, Bitcoin Cash, goes up in value, it's just a matter of time until it come back to the real estate market, start buying in bulk. I make a following prediction. In 2025, majority of the transaction in the real estate market will be handled on the crypto exchanges. Let's call it that way. That will be my very confident prediction. The next 3 to 5 years, we're going to transition the entire transaction chain towards the crypto market. It's just a matter of time. Now, back to what I originally want to talk about. What I want to originally talk about the diversification strategy. So when you diversify between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, I want you to have a balance. Don't just be focused on one coin like I do, because obviously this is a bit extreme. If you want to balance out, I absolutely recommend you to look at the major coins first before you look at altcoins. And I know there's a lot of people who are into altcoins and found my channel and ask me the question, what do you think about Solana? What do you think about, what's the latest flavor of the day? Let me see. I can literally predict what kind of question I'm going to get today or the next day or the day after. So every day, there's some coins going to go up a lot in value. All I have to do is go down coinmarketcap.com and check for 24 hours price movement. And someone's going to ask me today about Kusama and Polkadot, because those two are the highest performing coins of the last 24 hours. And all I can tell you is I cannot catch up with every single coin. All I study are the top 20 coins. So if your coin is the top 20 coin in market cap, I probably know a lot about them. But if your coin is the up and coming one that just recently ranking up, then I probably didn't have time to study it yet. But in general, you are better off actually sticking to the major coins. I see the future movement in price for crypto very, very similar to what happened to .com time in the 90s. And I'm old enough to remember everything from the 90s. Yeah. So just remember this. During every bubble, there's always a lot of imitators and also rounds that get basically promoted and then get a short squeeze, and then price goes exponential, and then price movement is the one that attract the buyers. Most buyers don't care about the actual thing they buy, they care about the price movement. But ultimately, the long-term price movement is determined by the fundamentals, by the demand and supply. And in the case of Bitcoin Cash, I can assure you, supply is dwindling super fast, because more and more people realizing this is a deflationary coin, and everyone who buys the Bitcoin Cash and put it away in their own private wallet is deflating the supply by a certain amount. So that deflation doesn't come just from reduction in annual supply. It also comes from removal of the available coins from the market. It's no different than somebody who is holding on to an empty block of land along this stretch, and he just buy the plot of land and hold on to it for 30 years. And people think he's stupid idiot not collecting rent, but in reality he's doing a very tax efficient way of long-term capital gains. That's what I can say about that. Alright, since today the movement is pretty boring in Bitcoin Cash, I'm not going to say too much about those. Instead, I will just double check what's going on now. Yeah, 861. And the only thing that's going up today right now as we speak is Ethereum. Therefore, let's wait one more day or two more days before we comment about Bitcoin Cash again. Alright, see you in the next one. Enjoy your day. Bye.